Hello everybody, just doing a little light workout here. I want to show you how I use deadlift bars in the garden. I caught a small swarm about a week ago and I traded that swarm for some flowers and some raspberry starts, and I needed some stakes in order to start the trellis for my raspberry plants, and that is going to be the new life for this weight bar. This is a gift from a friend who clearly worked the snot out of this deadlift bar, and now it needs a new life. So we're going to give it a new life in the garden. Right now this pole is lopsided, so we're going to even out the weight here and unscrew this side. I just created a weight for my next trot line, but we don't need this right now. Time to use this pole in the garden. Here's part of last year's cane on one of our raspberry transplants, and as you can see, it is not really very stout, and so these will be fairly spindly and want to crawl across the ground, and that's why we're going to have a stake on either end of this row so we can add our rope to provide a trellis so that we can walk in between these and our blackberries. I've got my T-post driver, I've got my bar, gonna put it up and strike it down. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and reinsert this screw into the top, one, to keep the rain out, and two, I'm gonna just hand tighten it to the point where I can then attach my top string for my trellis, and it's going to give it something to bite down on. This workout bar is in a long line of reclaimed posts and pipes and things like that. The blackberries don't care. The hope is that you won't be able to see these by the end of summer because our canes will have gone crazy. It will be heavy with blackberries, and we're going to be able to use that walking space in between to take advantage of every single fruit.